All right, guys, let's dive into Johnny's pick for Cash Daddies 105, which is Apple. Apple, Apple, Apple. Apple, Apple. Whoops, that's not what I want. That's what I want. All right, so I haven't actually been tracking Apple myself. So I just pulled up the chart, put in a few important lines, and so the only really important line, well, not really the only important line, but the most important line right now is this level at about 135. This is a major, major level. You can see we had a triangle pattern here. We're looking at monthly chart, by the way, so it's a very high level. 135 was resistance, which we broke through. We are now retesting. This is the retest. This is the retest of that resistance, and the awesome thing is that we interestingly have a bullish engulfing candle right off of that support. So what we're going to do is just going to put a yellow box around that just to remind us of where those levels are as we continue our analysis here, right? Doesn't have to be perfect, whatever. Okay, so you can see we tried to break that bullish engulfing candle, but we got rejected, pushed back down into that candle zone. So if price is in the candle zone when we do this yellow box thing, if you've been following, I guess how I do my charts, you're kind of just waiting. Like you can just wait. This box is a potential consolidation zone. You just wait. If it breaks one way or another, that's when you can make a decision. And you're basing that off of the important reversal candlestick or candlestick pattern that you found. And the yellow box just gives you that guide as you're going through analysis, and you can quickly look every single day. Anyway, let's go to weekly level. So we're jumping down to weekly level. Now, what I like to do when I have that yellow box is if we get a breakout on the next level down, that's an indication that, some positive confirmation that we're moving in that direction. And so we actually have had that. At the weekly level, we have broken and closed, and we're pulling back. And so this is just a small bullish impulsive move, and now we're selling off, taking some profits. We're back down in that zone, but we're at the 50 weekly moving average right now. We have a bunch of moving average crossovers here. So this looks very much like a shorter term, or not really shorter term because it's weekly, support level. But you can see we do have a support level here right around, 150. Okay, so you can see here generally around here and around here, and it looks like we're sort of trying to potentially get there before we bounce, right? So that's a potential thing that you can watch out for. It could just bounce straight from this 50 MA in silver. The point is, indications are showing that this has now pulled back, bounced with that bullish engulfing candle, and it's now kind of just doing a little profit taking from that bounce, that reversal. So now we're in a little dip, and this is a good moment to use the phrase buy the dip. So this is a good point in time where you could buy the dip. We're just going to stay at weekly for now. Now, okay, let's go back to monthly. Okay, so like I said, breakout of the resistance. This is the retest, bearish engulfing candle right here. I don't have targets for this right now. I'd have to do a little bit deeper work for a target because I haven't done some deeper analysis. I'm just doing real high level at the moment, but I think we will break 180. So it's very possible, especially if we get back up above the yellow box on monthly level, we'll probably break 180, and then it's all-time highs at that point. So it's kind of anyone's guess. You could do, Fibonacci, the trend Fibonacci and all that. I'm not going to do that right now. I might do it on my own time later and have it in a future chart, a future video. But so this is what we're looking at right now. We are pulling back, retesting. We've bounced, bullish engulfing candle, buy the dip. This is a good time, I think, to buy the dip. All right, guys, thanks for that. That is Johnny's pick Apple this week. Give a like, subscribe, show me that support. I appreciate it, and we'll talk soon. Peace.